On you. Start 200. Right 5. 300. Left 3. Into right 3. 100. Left 2. Downhill. Into right 3. Tightens. 2 long. Into left 2 long. Late apex. 50. Left 5. Into right 2 uphill. Left 2. Opens. 200. Right. Repeat, right 3. Left 5. Caution. Right 4. Short. Tight. Over crest. Into left 3. Short. Into right 5. 50. Left 5. Right 4 short. Into left 4 short. Over crest. 50. Left 4 double apex. Left 3 into right 2. Left 2 opens long. Double apex. 250 over crest. Caution, right 4 over jump. 150 over 2 crest. Caution, braking into right 2. 25. Left 2 uphill. Downhill left. Into right 2. Don't cut. Into left 2. Left 5 narrows. 100. Right 3 short. Into left 3. Caution, narrow chicane. Into right 2. Into left 2. Into right 2 uphill. Left 2. Into right 2. Left 2. Uphill over finish. What was that? Brake line?
Hold on, I'm gonna try and move.